Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What security does Notion use? Next, let us look at Notion security. The application uses TLS everywhere and states that the data is encrypted at rest and in transit. However, the application does not use end-to-end encrypted, therefore, it is not secure.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Notion doesn't work offline with Notion. When you close the app, you need an internet connection to get it started, which makes sense because it is a web-based app. It's thus safe to conclude that Notion does not work offline.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.